Hopkins, a registered dietitian and part of nutrition program staff at The Gathering Place. While we're still at stay-at-home mode, we'll be bringing you quick and easy recipes each week. This week's recipe idea and handout is brought to you by our dietetic intern, Mike Pandy. I'll be showing you how to make overnight oats. So overnight oats is a great and convenient dish to have on hand for the following morning. I'll be using a small mason jar, about 12 ounces. Any airtight container works that you have on hand. I'm going to start with our base ingredients. Here I have 1/2 cup of rolled oats. I'm going to pour that in. Rolled oats are a whole grain and a good source of fiber. The American Institute of Cancer Research recommends consuming 30 grams of fiber per day. The 1/2 cup serving of rolled oats provides you 5 grams to help you reach your goal. Next, I'll be adding a 1/2 cup of milk. This is your choice of milk. Here I have a almond milk. Do make sure if you're using a plant-based milk to find one that does not include added sugars. You can check this by looking at the nutrition facts label. Now from our oat and milk mixture, I will be adding in a tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds also are a good source of fiber as well as plant-based protein, and they contain a compound called ligands, which some research suggests has a cancer protective effect against breast cancer and other cancers. Now from my flax seeds, if your digestive tract is a little sensitive to seeds, you can always use ground flax here. Ground flax is easier absorbed by the body. Now with this, I will be adding in a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt for a little extra protein. And at this point, I'm going to give it a little stir. Okay. Now you can add a touch of maple syrup just to bring out some of the flavors. Not too much. Again, this is just to highlight the flavoring with the fruit we'll add in a moment. And I'm going to also add just a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay. There you have your base. From this point, you want to add in your toppings. Now this really ranges to anything you have on hand at home, including any nuts or nut butters or fresh fruit. I will be using a 1/2 cup of frozen mixed berries. In addition to any fresh fruit, frozen is fine as well. So here I'll try to get this all in. Okay, we're getting pretty full. Okay. Then I have a tablespoon of ground peanut butter, and I'm going to add in some more flavor with some pecans. Pecans have a really nice, warm, cozy flavor, I think. And then stir that in. I'm going to cap this and give it a good shake to mix it together. You want to store this in the fridge overnight. You can have this either cold or you can warm it up. It does come out rather thick. Here is one that I made from yesterday. You can see it's really nice. All the ingredients are mixed in. Now if you want something thick that sticks to your ribs, feel free to enjoy as is. Otherwise you can add in some more milk to thin that out. For more information and recipes, please look to touchbycancer.org, and we will see you next week. Thanks.